Mother of mine, how do I say all the love I feel today through every storm?
Nay, maraming salamat po sa nagawa niyo sa aming magkakapatid. Talaga napakabuti niyo sa amin. Napag-aral niyo po kami. Ginapang niyo sa kahit nahirapan kayo ni tayo. Nakatapos kami ng sa aming pag-aral hanggang high school. Alam po namin ang paghihirap ni tayo, lalo-lalo na kayo. Maraming salamat po sa iyo, sa pagmamahal mo sa amin, sa aming magkakapatid. Thank you po. And Naya, sa lahat ng paghihirap mo, natapos na rin po ito.
Darkest days you made things right. No words could ever be enough.
Hello, Lola. Hope you are at peace and heaven. Thank you for all your love and support. Hope you are with Lola and our other family members. Love you.
Through sleepless nights and dreams untold, you gave me wings, you made me bold.
Aalis na kayo. Salamat po sa lahat ng pag-aalaga at pag-aaruga sa aming magkakapatid. Sana po maging tahimik ang pagdisa niya. Pati na kay Itay, sana makita kayo ng maayos na roon. Sige po, Nay. Mahal naman lang kayo.
No words could ever be enough to thank you for your endless love.
Ama naming makapangyarihan, ikaw ay maawatid at mapagpatawad kailanman. Kami lumuluhog para kay Clotilde na iyong tinawag upang iyong makapiling. Pakundangan sa kanyang pag-asa at pananampalataya, maihatid nawa siya sa kanyang talagang bayan at magkamit ng ligayang magpakailanman. Ngayong hapon ito ay nagtitipon tayo hindi lamang upang ilitin ang ating mahal sa buhay na si Clotilde. Kung hindi sa lahat, tayong lahat ay nagkakatipon-tipon upang ipagdasal ang kanyang kaluluwa at ipahayag ang ating pananampalataya sa Panginoon. We have this celebration of the Mass kasi naniniwala tayo na si Clotilde na isang ina, isang lola, isang kapatid, isang kaibigan, siya ay tatanggapin ng ating Panginoon sa langit.
Maraming salamat sa sakripisyo at pagmamahal na ibinigay mo sa amin. Alam ko, tahimik ng wala ka ng sakit, wala ka ng problema. Huwag mo na kaming intindihin. Ay, magkasama na kayo ni Itay, ni Eva, Jerry. Kailangan na lang namin subaybay niyo. Huwag niyo na. Tulungan niyo kami na malagpasan lahat ng problema na darating sa amin. Paalam, Inay, maraming salamat sa binigay mong sakripisyo sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away.
We weren't very close with Lola, but I'm very thankful for everything that she has done for us. I would just remember that Since malayo kami, we would visit here like once a month or twice a month. And every time we would go here, she would give us something. May tindahan pa sila na like 25 years ago. Tapos lagi may pasalubong si Lola for us, magkakapatid, when we go home. And pero but my deepest thank you is coming from the love that we experience through to our parents, through her daughters and sons. Sobrang na-feel namin yan na how loving Lolo and Lola are to her sons and daughters.
However hard they seem, when you'd almost given up, she was there to lift you up. There's nothing you can
Gusto ko lang thank you kay Lola dahil sa pag-aalala niya sa akin pag wala sina mama at papa dati. So, thank you sa lahat ko. President,
through the heartache and the pain. It was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything.
Bye, Nanay. Thank you for sharing your life with us. My childhood will never be a memorable childhood kung hindi kita babanggitin. Naging malaking bahagi ka ng memories namin magkakapatid. Thank you sa masasarap mong luto. Thank you sa pagtuturo mo sa amin ng paggawa ng suko. And thank you sa pagmamahal mo. Baunin mo yung pagmamahal namin sa iyo. Thank you so much. Now, I will see God's embrace. Bye-bye. Bye for now.
When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. Oh, there's nothing in the world like a mother's love. Like a mother's love.